Hello, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Wednesday out here. I can see the sun is shining, you know. Well, just because the sun is shining does not mean it's not chilly outside. Well, anyway, our tutorial for today's face mask. I already have some things in here. I forgot to put start on my camera. So I have two teaspoons of yogurt, plain yogurt, 1 spoon of rice powder. I have my lime powder that I made myself, homemade lime powder. I have half teaspoon of this. Then I'm gonna add about half of turmeric, or just a little bit of turmeric, because you know turmeric, you don't need so much for it to work. My turmeric powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Just like so. Here is everything right here. As you can see, I'm just gonna mix it together. With this, you don't need lemon juice or milk, because the honey and the yogurt will serve as the liquid in this. Just mix it, make sure you mix everything in properly. I feel like eating this right now. Like I always say, you don't have to spend much to look beautiful. You don't have to spend much. Majority of what you need are right there in your kitchen cabinets. Excuse me. Most of what you need are right there in your kitchen cabinet, you know. And this is the outcome of it. Don't it look good? Look yummy. So just going to apply this to my face and neck as usual. My face, my neck, and wait 30 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Make sure you cover every part of your face. Some people like to leave the face area, the eye area, but whatever you prefer. Me, I put on every part, you know. And neck. There you go, you just apply and leave it for like I said, 30 minutes. You can apply this anywhere on your body. It doesn't have to be just the face alone. You can apply it anywhere if you have the time, to do that. It's good for all parts of the body, not just the face. If you want to brighten or lighten your skin, you can use this anywhere on any part of your body. Anyway, that's our tutorial for today. See you next time. Have a lovely day. Bye.